Hello, thank you very much for joining me, and today I'm going to talk about blogging on Moodle as a student. So there's a few ways to do this. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to some posts that I thought were interesting, that I liked, and I want to add it to my blog within Moodle. Now, a blog is informational. For example, a journal, a diary. It could be a website where you want to upload some information to store and to show, to teach some information. Whereas an e-portfolio is more a record of your individual skills or your achievements, exemplary work. So I'm going to find a post that I made. Here we are. This was an example about Pyeongchang Winter Olympics, and I'd like to export to portfolio. I have to select the destination, blog, export portfolio. Now, what I was confused about blogs is this is referring to a blog within Moodle. It's not referring to an external blog that you need to set up. It's setting up a blog within the Moodle site for the students. They don't need to import anything. In this example, I'm just copying a previous post and creating a new blog post. There's some settings. We'll say portfolio export 1, and I want to make it public. And simply confirm. Now if we want to check it, I'll go to my profile. Check blog entries. There's nothing there. Nice. Where did I go wrong? Okay, so let's go back and check why that didn't add in here. And here we can see that portfolio export has been successfully queued for transfer. So it's queuing, so we need to wait while it's transferred. So while we're waiting, let's try to add in a new entry. And we'll call this forming groups. Forward to the group site building project. And I'd like to add in a Emigon. And I'll record a video as well. I'm looking forward to the group Moodle site building project. Cheers! There's actually nothing in the bottle. It was just for dramatic effect. Upload that. Insert. Here's a Poodle file. There. And save that.
Poodle is converting your video. Try again soon.
Great. And I know that'll upload after a few minutes. Okay, so it needs a little bit of time. There's something else I would like to upload to this. I did in the teacher practice area in week 2. So I'm going to week 2. Activities available. This was a forum post. And I made a post about all the different activities. So I like this, so I'd like to export this to Portfolio 2. Blog export portfolio. Okay, next. Portfolio export number 2. I want to make it public. I don't want to edit it particularly. Next. Please confirm. Let's see if this one works. Okay, it's complete. Hopefully. Log entries under my profile. Okay, there we have a post. We have my previous post. The first one's still not working. Oh, that's okay. Now, what I would like to do now is I would like to try and link to an external blog. So I'm going to go into my profile again, edit profile. If I go down to optional, I can link in here. Now this is a blog I started about 10 years ago. It's rubbish, it's garbage, but it's an example. I'm not using it now, and I think using an external blog would be useful if I wanted to get the students to make a collaborative project to design a blog or a poster as a group, then import it into Moodle. So this is my web page. Shown here, and maybe I want to put in another entry to highlight that. External blog. Just link to that. Changes. So now I have demonstration, external, eternal blog. Nice. I think eternal was better actually. External blog. The post I made about the list of TPA activities. The video. Forming groups.
Moodle is converting your video. Try again soon.
Now I know that it will work because I tried it earlier and I had a problem. Let's try again. Okay. So I'll need to go into week 1. Which editor in Moodle? Find my post. Now there's a lot of video in this. I'll try to export it to Portfolio again. Log export Portfolio. Looks okay. Please confirm. It's been successfully queued for transfer again. I think that's maybe a similar issue because of the amount of video involved. Maybe it takes time. I think that will give you a good idea of linking posts, external blogs into the blog within the Moodle site. Thank you very much.